A very good morning to all. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the difference between the cell mitosis and meiosis. In our previous video, we have studied about all the stages of cell division of mitosis and meiosis. So when we are talking about the difference between these two, mitosis and meiosis, so the first difference depend on the size of occurrence. Mitosis occur on somatic cells during multiplicative phase of gametogenesis in germ cells, whereas meiosis occur in reproductive germ cells of the gonads. और you can say माइटोसिस हमेशा सोमेटिक सेल के अंदर होगा और मियोसिस हमेशा सेक्स सेल्स के अंदर मींस गोनाड्स के अंदर प्रेजेंट है. Mitosis occur throughout the life, whereas meiosis occur only during sexual reproduction process. Why? क्योंकि जो सोमेटिक सेल्स है वो पूरी लाइफ जो है वो डिवाइड करेंगे, रिप्लेस करते हैं, हीलिंग करते हैं, रिपेयरिंग करते हैं, growth करते हैं, whereas meiosis only help in the formation of the haploid sex cells. The mitosis cells may be haploid or diploid, whereas the meiosis cell is always diploid and get converted into haploid one. The number of division, the parental cell divides one, whereas in meiosis the parental cell divides twice. The number of daughter cells in mitosis is 2, whereas in meiosis it is 4. The genetically similarity of parental cells and the amount of DNA and chromosome is same in mitosis, whereas in meiosis they are something genetically different from the parent cells, and the amount of DNA and chromosome number is half to the parental cell. So let's start with the difference between the phases. The first phase is prophase, and when we are talking about the mitosis process, the prophase is very short, it is of few hours, or in meiosis it is a very long one. It may be some days, month or year, or you can say it is very complex stage. The subphases in prophase is 3 subphase: early, mid and late prophase. And in prophase 1 of meiosis, it is of 5 subphases: liptotin, zygotin, phacetin, diplotin and dichiresis. The bouquet stage is absent in prophase, whereas it is present in the meiosis liptotin stage. Now what is this bouquet phase? During this stage, the chromosome attach themselves by their end, or you can say the telomeres. टीलोमियर्स के साथ में अटैच हो जाते हैं और जो इनर मेम्ब्रेन है वो न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप के साथ में अटैच हो जाती है. तो इसकी जो अपीयरेंस है वो बुके की तरह नजर आती है. सो इट टेक्स प्लेस इन लिप्टोटिन स्टेज. Synapsis is absent in prophase in mitosis, whereas it is present in zygotin stage of meiosis 1. Chiasmata formation and crossing over absent in prophase of mitosis, whereas it is occur in meiosis 1. The disappearance of nucleolus and nuclear membrane is early in prophase in meiosis, whereas in mitosis, mitosis it is early, whereas in meiosis it is very late. The nature of coiling of the chromatid thread is plectonymic in mitosis, whereas paranamic in meiosis. As shown in the diagram, they are present on the side. आपको यहाँ पे नजर आ रहा है जो प्लेक्टोनिमिक है वो एक रोप स्ट्रक्चर गेन कर लेता है. जिस तरह से रोप के अंदर आपके हेलिक्स बन जाते हैं उस तरह से यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर आ जाएंगे. वेयरएज इन पैरानेमिक सिर्फ एक अटैचमेंट है और स्पाइरल शेप आ जाती है. The next stage is metaphase. Metaphase, only one equatorial plate in mitosis, wherein in meiosis 2 plates are formed in metaphase but one plate in metaphase 2. Position of centromere, uh, we can say in metaphase it lie at the equator, arms are generally towards the poles, whereas in meiosis it lie equidistant from the equator and towards the pole of metaphase 1, while it lie at the equator in metaphase 2. The number of chromosome fiber is 2 in mitosis, whereas single in the metaphase 1 while 2 in metaphase 2. In anaphase, the daughter chromosomes separate easily because the chromatid is independent with centromere here. In mitosis, whereas homologous chromosomes separate in anaphase 1 while chromatid separate in anaphase 2 in meiosis. The splitting of centromere and development of interzonal fiber takes place in anaphase. There is no splitting of centromere, interzonal fiber were developed in the metaphase 1. Occurrence of telophase is always present in mitosis, whereas sometime telophase 1 may be absent. It got overlapped between the with the anaphase, but the telophase 2 is always present in meiosis. Cytokinesis occur always in mitosis, whereas again the cytokinesis may be absent because of the you can say the overlapping of stages, whereas cytokinesis 2 is always present. There, that when we are talking about the nature of the daughter cells, 2n amount of DNA, then 4n amount of DNA in parental cell, and 1n amount of DNA, then 4n amount of DNA in parental cell. Fate of daughter cells divide again after interphase, whereas we can say in mitosis it divide again after interphase, but in meiosis do not divide and act as a gamete. Significance: the function of mitosis is help in growth, healing, repair, multiplication of somatic cells, occur both in sexually and asexually reproduction, whereas in meiosis it produces the gametes that help in only the sexual reproduction process. In mitosis there is no variation, but uh, it keeps the quality and quantity of the genes same, whereas in meiosis it produces variation due to the crossing over and chance of arrangement of bivalent metaphases. Mitosis do not show any help in evolution, or you can say role in evolution, whereas the meiosis is having the role in speciation as well as evolution. So in this video we have studied about the difference between the mitosis and meiosis.